Today, NASA and Roscosmos held a press briefing to discuss the situation on the International Space Station following a major coolant leak from a Soyuz spacecraft docked at the station. As Soyuz craft are the only vehicles used to transport humans to and from the ISS, and serve as a lifeboat in case of emergency, the leak reduces the margin for error and could potentially interfere with future crew rotations. The source of the leak appears to be a millimeter-sized hole in a coolant radiator, and the coolant system has no way to pump the lost fluid. The IS partners have already compared the orientation of the hole to the likely direction of any micrometeorite that may have caused it, and the two do not match. The next Soyuz launch to the ISS was scheduled for a crew rotation in mid-March, but Sergei Krikalev, the executive director of Roscosmos human spaceflight programs, said that could be pushed forward by a few weeks to late February. If the damaged capsule is considered unsafe to return the current crew to Earth, then the Soyuz will be sent to the ISS uncrewed. The experts are still unsure whether the damaged Soyuz can safely carry the crew back to Earth in the absence of a system for cooling its internal compartment. However, there are options for re-entry that could minimize the amount of time the Soyuz remains in space before re-entry, as well as manual control of the process, allowing some of the internal electronics to be shut down. At the moment, things are returning to normal on the ISS. It's an exciting time for space exploration and a reminder of how difficult and delicate operations in space can be. With our continued innovation and collaboration, we will find ways to protect our astronauts and explore our universe.